Global investment manager VanEck's Spot Ethereum ETF has been listed by the Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation, DTCC, under the ticker symbol ETHV, signaling a potential approval from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, on May 23rd. The DTCC provides essential financial market services, and its listing of an ETF is a crucial step before SEC approval. VanEck's ETF is currently inactive, pending regulatory approval. Franklin Templeton's Spot ETH ETF was also listed by the DTCC a month earlier. The DTCC's ETF list includes both active and inactive ETFs. Recent reports indicate the SEC has been in contact with major exchanges like Nasdaq, the Chicago Board Options Exchange, and the New York Stock Exchange to update existing Spot Ether ETF applications. In a significant development for the cryptocurrency market, global investment manager VanEck has taken a crucial step towards launching a Spot Ether Exchange-Traded Fund, ETF, in the United States. The ETF has been listed by the Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation, DTCC, under the ticker symbol ETHV, sparking widespread speculation about imminent approval by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, on May 23rd. The DTCC, a vital component of the American financial infrastructure, provides essential clearing, settlement, and transaction reporting services to market participants. A listing on the DTCC is often seen as a key precursor to securing final regulatory approval from the SEC. Currently, VanEck's ETF is marked as inactive on the DTCC website, indicating that it cannot be processed until it receives the necessary approvals. It is important to note that VanEck is not the first to be listed by the DTCC. Franklin Templeton's Spot ETH ETF was added to the platform a month earlier, though it too remains inactive. The DTCC clarified that their ETF list includes both active ETFs, which can be processed, and those not yet active, awaiting regulatory green light. In a related development, the SEC has reportedly reached out to Nasdaq, the Chicago Board Options Exchange, and the New York Stock Exchange to update and revise existing Spot Ether ETF applications. This shift in the SEC's approach is speculated to be influenced by political factors. Crypto lawyer Jake Chavinsky highlighted on social media platform X that policy decisions are heavily influenced by politics, noting that cryptocurrency has been gaining political traction. He speculated that former President Donald Trump's pro-cryptocurrency stance might have pressured President Joe Biden's administration to reconsider its policy. As the May 23rd deadline for the SEC's decision on VanEck's Spot Ether ETF approaches, there has been a notable change in sentiment. After months of uncertainty and expectations of denial, the SEC's recent actions, asking financial managers to amend and refile their filings, have been interpreted by some analysts as a positive indicator. The likelihood of approval is now seen as 75%, up from a mere 25%. What is an ETF? For those unfamiliar with the concept, an ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is a type of investment fund that holds a collection of assets such as stocks, bonds, or commodities. ETFs are traded on stock exchanges much like individual stocks. They offer investors a way to diversify their portfolios without having to own the underlying assets directly. The potential approval of a Spot Ether ETF is being closely watched due to the significant impact that Bitcoin ETFs have had on the market. The launch of the first Bitcoin futures ETF in the US in October 2021 was a landmark event, leading to a surge in Bitcoin's price and increasing mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrency as a legitimate asset class. Bitcoin ETFs have attracted substantial investor interest and have been credited with bringing more institutional money into the cryptocurrency market. Potential benefits of an Ether ETF would function similarly, allowing investors to gain exposure to Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, without directly owning the digital asset. Not the second best, though. This could make investing in Ethereum more accessible and appealing to a broader range of investors, including those who may be hesitant to deal with the complexities of buying and storing cryptocurrencies directly. Moreover, the approval of an Ether ETF could further legitimize the cryptocurrency market, potentially leading to increased adoption and higher prices for Ethereum. As the SEC's decision date approaches, the cryptocurrency community remains on edge, anticipating a ruling that could have far-reaching implications for the future of digital asset investment in the United States. And that wraps up our coverage on the potential approval of the VanEck Spot Ether ETF. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell to stay updated on all things crypto. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.